Ottimo 20 liters microwave oven is the stuff that we're exploring tonight. There she is. Isn't she quite a beaut? I like the looks of it and I love the color scheme. You've got your power setting, that is on high, and there is your time, of course. Goes up to 30 minutes. There's your specs on the back if you're interested. Some warnings, some info in the box that might be of interest. Let's check out her inners. Oh, there's still some stuff in here. Instruction manual and the glass plate and the wheels it's supposed to turn on. Let's just take off this tape. Please clean and dry the cavity after each use with a non-abrasive soap, especially the roller guide and base. Right, we'll do that, hopefully. And now on that little shapy thing must come these 3 holes. There we go, now it will turn nicely. Oh, I see here on the inside is more tape we should probably remove. Not sure what the purpose of this tape is. And there's some more warnings here. Precautions for safe use to avoid possible exposure to excessive microwave energy. Do not attempt to operate this oven with object caught indoor, door that does not close properly. See damaged door hinge, latch or sealing surface. Alrighty, well this is brand new, so hopefully nothing is damaged. So all that remains is to cook our first meal in it. I think let our first cooked meal in this thing be a quiche. So first let's smear a pie dish with some butter to serve as oil and also for taste. Next we'll add an egg, some tuna, some chopped up spinach, and we mix all that together, making sure that we break the egg yolk. If you don't break the egg yolk properly, it's gonna explode in the microwave. Oh yeah, let's not forget some grated cheese. There we go, our nice quiche mix. It is time. Actually, wait, in case it boils over or something, I want it to boil over on another plate. And there we... Oh, wait a minute, what is this? Is this cardboard supposed to be removed? Let's check the instruction manual. That seems to be number 6. Wave guide. Please do not remove the mica plate covering the wave guide. What is a mica plate? Is this cardboard looking thing the mica plate? Must be, I suppose. Alright, well, here goes, and we are on high power, and I would say 1.5 minutes should do it. There is our quiche now cooking. Looks like the sides are getting cooked. Alrighty, what do we got? No, that doesn't quite seem fully cooked to me. So, let's go again for another minute, I would say. Now it's getting too steamy for me to see anything in there. You probably shouldn't be this close to a microwave oven. That's just something I heard in a movie once about the dangers of a microwave oven. Will it actually radiate you? I do not know, but for safety reasons I won't be sitting this close after this demonstration. What do we got? Is our quiche ready? Yeah, it looks so from the outside. Let's have a quick look, if we like have a look in the center. Ah yeah, I'd say that's cooked through. Looking beautiful, beautiful quiche this one is. Cooked in our microwave oven, yeah. We might have added some salt and maybe some red pepper. Please make sure you are subscribed and you'll see me in the next video.
Bye.